So that's it for this one. All the mini tubs are all welded in, all the fabrication's all done. Still got a little bit of body work to do on all of this, but that all happens once all of the metal work on the car is all done. So for this step, all the tray floor, the wheel tubs, all of that sort of thing, that's all finished off for now. So got to address all the bodywork later, but on to the next step. So the next step for this will be to get all the hardware for the hard lid all set up, all mounted, get all the mounting points done, get that all into epoxy, cut that rear lip off, smooth all the back parcel wall in there, and yeah, I do have a couple of boxes here which before the end of this video I will open those up and show you what the next few things that will be getting done. And I've had to call in a mate to give me a hand with a bit of this stuff because this is a bit more than a one-person job to do, and he's just keen to do a bit of chassis work and stuff like that too. And we've also checked with all the engineer who will be signing this thing off, and he's all perfectly fine with the parts and everything like that we're going to be using on this. So yeah, so let's get all these boxes up and have a look at what's to come for the Valiant. Alright, so the adult excitement of unboxing new parts. So what we've got here is the front cowl rust repair sections. So we've got a couple of those there. I still haven't opened these up to see how they are actually done. So this is just as exciting for me as it is for everyone else, because I didn't want to open these up till it was time to get stuck in. So we have some really nice looking floor pans. Actually very excited about those ones because they will make my job so much easier. So, because the floors in this are shocking. So we've got a couple of brand new sheet metal floors being made up. So, a couple of sheet metal floors and a couple of rust repair sections for the cowl panel. So that's very good. Very hyped on that. So in this box is all the fun stuff and the very heavy stuff. Which consists of, they wrapped it up really well, which is good. 10 hours later, when I get into the box, okay, 1 spring relocation brackets. Then we got one chassis connector. These things are beastly. They're gonna be good as long as they fit up to the chassis right, then we're gonna be cheering with that. That will make this thing so much more stronger in the chassis. So some more spring relocation parts. Put these over here. Spring relocation parts. A bit more spring relocation parts. And that's it. Very, very nice. So, have a quick browse in here. It's got a sticker. So the spring relocation and the chassis connectors all came from a company called SSD Performance. Pretty up there in the Valiant world as far as I'm told. Again, I'm not very up with Valiant, so it's got all the chassis connector instructions, which is really good. And we also have, yes, beautiful. We got the spring relocation instructions. So all pretty straightforward though. So it's not like we're four-linking it, so it's pretty straightforward stuff. So that's it. We've got all the bits and bobs, and yeah, this is all to come in the next few videos, but this stuff's going to be a bit sporadic with getting it done, so there will probably be a few other videos but before the videos of all of this final fitment is done on this, because I'll be working on things in between this, because all of this stuff's a bit of a two-person, maybe more job to make sure it's all done correctly. So excited, very good. That's going to take this ute from just a factory old Valiant to something that's a bit more serious. So excited for that one. But that's it for this video. Ow. And yeah, that's it for this video. We will catch you on the next one.